All right, 3 contestants. They get a minute each. And I think the callers will decide this morning after Sim makes her decision.
Okay.
3D is up first.
No. You a smart Jamaica, but you're feeling fake, yeah. Done man, done with friend. Done man, done with. Yeah, me say them funny for the hype, funny for the fame. Think them only different, but the whole of them are just the same. Make your energy be drained. Right now you feel shame, cause it's with them understand your little struggles and pain. If you're my friend, I'ma rate you more than that. Tell out that I go just hurt up my brain. We split, we are not the same blood in the vein. Say you better stay in your lane. Your man can't see none of them real. To me can never explain how me feel. Man can't see none of them real. No, your devil man can't see none of them real. To me can never explain how me feel. Man can't see none of them real. No.
3 to 3D. Changa Beng is the next contestant. No?
The blessed one.
Javel the blessed one.
West Jamaica. Reason why we keep me calm. Me know my glory of for one. Every bell we a soldier from my band. Money I figures me calm. Reason why me keep me calm. Yeah, the glory of for one. Someone man a soldier from my band. Money I figures palm. One stay current like breaker. Me no matter about the hater. Pitch far like a laser major. Figure me voice in a minor. I feel work hard in a dem time ya. Car me country a take over by China. See the signs of the time ya. Youth want the faith and the leg out no pride sir. Reason why me keep me calm. Cause my glory of for one. Man a soldier from my band. Money have to grease my palm.
3.
To Javel the blessed one. Changa Beng is our final contestant.
Blessed morning, Tevil, and give thanks to the breath of life. You know? Get up here. Yeah, man, that's how I keep it real enough to get the youths, them in here, see me? Get the people. Get the youths. Yeah, so I build back Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yeah, me now. Ghetto people always be the victim, always serving time for crime. Ghetto people always making zinc fences, and we go live full of garbage and flies. Ghetto people always be the victim, always serving time for crime. Ghetto people always have another funeral, and always I get victimized. Life in the ghetto it not easy. Me say police just come in and ill treat we. To how we steal little light and we steal little water. Cause somehow we the next door to poverty. Life in the ghetto with abusing. And the bigger extent that amusing. So them pick and them choose and then them refuse church and state of the people confusing.
Mother. I'm going to give him a 4.
All right.
Let the people decide.
Changa Beng on 4. The numbers are 733-246-126. So give us a call and you will decide the winner. And the winner, of course, will take us out.
Gentlemen,
right?
come stand up again so everybody can see and remember who is who. So they can call and vote.
So it's 3D, Javel the blessed
Where's
one.
3D? 3D. Javel.
Javel is the white
And
shirt. And then Changa Beng.
All right.
All right, so we're going to go for a break and come back in just a little while.